Hello friends, today we are making these cute mini hanging bunnies. It's a nice and easy step-by-step tutorial, beginner friendly. Looks beautiful hanging bunnies for your Easter party. I hope you will like it, so let's start the video. .5 mm hook size. Make magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now make treble crochet around the magic ring. Treble crochet. We will not count the first chain. We have 2 treble crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, pull the yarn, 15, 16, the last one, now we have a 16 treble crochet around the magic ring. Pull the yarn and make slip stitch in the first chain. Chain 2, 1, chain 2, and make 3 double crochet in the same chain. Keep the back yarn with it and make 3 double crochet, in the same chain. We will not count the first chain. We have 1 2 3 double crochet in a one chain, and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now we will make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Down here we have a 2 loops. Make slip stitch, again chain 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, chain 8. In these 2 loops make slip stitch and keep it little tight. Chain 1 and lock. Cut the yarn. The cute bunny is ready. Now we will fix the yarn inside. This is the front side and this is the back side. First between the first 2 chains, pull the yarn down and now here we have a yarn, so we will bring it down as well. Find a loop and pull the yarn down. Here have loop again and once more time. Now fix the yarn inside with the help of the needle. If you want to make a single bunny like this, so you can make a tie and give it a nice look, or if you don't want, then back side. Now you can make a same cute bunny in a different colors. Now we will make a chain to hang bunnies. Make slip knot and chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 6 and make slip stitch in the first chain to make a loop. Now chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now I have chain 15. You can chain according to your need. You can chain how long you want to chain. It's up to you. So now we are going to hang the bunny like this. This is the front side of the chains and this is the back side of the chain. At the back we have here a bumpy loop and we will slip stitch like this. Again chain 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, chain 15. Again this is the right side of the chain and this is the back side. Here we have the bumpy loops on. At the back side we will make slip stitch like this. Again chain 15, 1 2 3 15, chain 15 and again make slip stitch like this. We have a hanging bunnies. Make 15 chains again and add this one as well. The chain as long as you need. You make a bunnies as much as you like according to your space. Now I have 4 bunnies, 1 2 3 and 4. At this side we have a little loop here and after the last bunny we will make 20 chains to create a loop in the 5th chain. Here we will make a last slip stitch and chain 1, lock your yarn, cut the extra yarn, ends we have a loop here and we are going to sew it inside the chain, then it will be secure and will not open from this side. Now pull your yarn through the chains and so it's nice and clean. Now it will be not open, it's secure and you have a loop. If you need a little bigger loop, so I have chain 5, you can go for chain 8 or 10. It depends on your need. chain as long as you like from here as well, and make as much bunny as you like. I hope you like these easy cute mini bunnies. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Visit my playlist crochet tutorials. Till the next video, bye.